What's up, guys? This is a quick tutorial of how to use an enum and a switch statement together to change states. For this project, I made one 2D object, that little white square, and I made one script named changing color script. Just attach the script to the object and we can get into the code. We're going to focus on the important stuff first. So the first thing is the public enum that I named color state. As you can see, it's like making a method in that you can name it what you want, and you can make as many states as you want. I made 4 of them and named them after colors, and also you could assign them numbers, though I believe they are automatically assigned from 0. Now onto the switch statement. First you're going to make a method. I named mine change color state and give it your enum as a parameter, and I gave it the name new color state. Now up in the namespace, do public color state, lowercase c color state, and inside the switch statement, do lowercase color state equals new color state. And now the switch statement itself, use the word switch and new color state inside the parentheses to do some curly brackets. And inside these curly brackets, we use the words case to decide what the switch should be looking for. Under that, we tell it what to do. And then finally, we use the word break to leave the switch statement. If we wanted, we could also make a default case to make it a little safer. Okay, so I made 4 methods that each have a debug message so that we could see it's working, which are what's called by the switch statement. And finally, in the update method, I just put some code that checks for inputs from the keyboard, and these call the change color state method. Pass in the state that we want with an argument, that is the .red, .green stuff you see here. And now if we go back to Unity and run it, we should get the messages. And nice, it's working. I decided against changing the colors to keep the code as simple as possible. And that's all for this one. I hope this helps you with whatever you're working on. Good luck out there.